Today we're gonna be working on this tailgate for this '07 Colorado, but I think it should be the same for the GMC Canyons. So this thing broke. Homeboy pulled it too hard and it was already messing up, so it broke. We had to before we had to push it forward a little bit and then open it, but I guess he just got here and pulled it and it broke. So in here it has 4 Phillips head screws. Just gonna go ahead and remove all 4. I don't know if these are the original screws that this little cover should have. So when this comes off, this little plate. And now if you want to open it, you just pull both rods towards the middle. That releases the tailgate. And then we're gonna have to get to these little clips right here. Pull them off. See if I have a flathead screw driver. And remove this rod and then do the same to this one right here. Like that. And pull the rod out, and then I think this one right here, you could either do it from here or here. Let me see. This is the new one. We got this one on Amazon. Quality isn't that great, but it's gonna work. So yeah, we're gonna remove this rod from here. Like that. Okay. So now we're gonna get to these 2 bolts. I don't know what size they are, but maybe a 10. Nope. Oh yeah, it's a 10. I'm gonna hold it from the bottom. So there you go. I have to see what's holding it. There you go. Now we have to transfer this little piece right here for the key to lock it and unlock it. I think it should be a 10 as well. So with the 10mm out of the way, just pull the cylinder off, put it on this side, and then put the 10mm bolt back on. That. Look, his quality sucks. I'm gonna have to run the bolt in a little more because it's still not all the way where it should be. Okay, now that I have that little thing in there, the cylinder, I'm gonna put this first little rod in here, clip it on, and then I could put this back in to the tailgate from underneath. Try to do it with 2 hands just so I can figure out exactly how it needs to go in here. But basically, let me show you what broke. Basically this piece right here, you can see this thing broke from the handle. You can see where it's not holding anything anymore. So this piece right here where my thumb is at should push this whole piece, so that could make the rods move the opposite way and release the tailgate. Obviously this cheaper plastic one might last less time than the original one, but we're gonna deal with that later on. If it breaks, we're gonna get a better quality handle. Okay, we got it in, and we put the other two 10 bolts back on. Now it's time to put these rods back in. Just clip this thing back on. Also the one that's back here. Like that. Now we can test it. See that it opens. Okay, and now we're gonna put the cover back on. Like that. And we're gonna put the screws back in. All 4 screws. This thing literally took less than like 10 minutes to do. Okay. There you go. Fully functioning tailgate. So you kind of have to push the tailgate in a little bit and then open it up. And also it comes with the gasket, with the new gasket. See, this one has an older gasket, old gasket on there. We're gonna toss this whole thing away. I don't think we need anything from this. But that's pretty much it. Amazon tailgate handle on this 07 Colorado, like I said before. But the process should be the same for the Canyons, GMC Canyons. Make sure to check us out on Instagram at Yonke_OXE Films. I'll leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.